Questions whether we are really the successor of the old MSO, because there was no formal handover from the old management to the new management. But here, when we reformed in 2009, the family of Dr. Legarda started to support us, and that was the show, that they recognized, the original family recognized that we are the ones continuing the history of the orchestra that started in 1926. So you have families of the Legardas supporting specific chairs of the orchestra. Next slide. This is a program from 2010, and these conductors will be featured in this year's season. We have Thanos Adamopoulos, who conducted us in I think this is 2011, and then Alexander Vikulov would regularly conduct us. He's a Russian conductor, both for ballet and for symphonic works. Next program, just to show you that Rachel is not new to us. She was our Carmina Burana singer in 2017. And you see this name of the choir, Viva Voce. Michelle told me that she was a guest singer there. So she already sang with us. I thought first time niya ngayon, no? But she already sang in the choir in 2017. Okay, next. Music of the Filipino People is our 90th anniversary concert, and our soloist is none other than the pianist sitting here in front of the Steinway, Gabi Pagirigan. So he was our soloist at the time. He was also the winner of a competition sponsored by Dr. Rene Limhoco. Dr. Limhoco, are you here with us? Yeah, he's there, no? So Dr. Limhoco donated this beautiful piano, the Steinway piano, a few years ago. And we're having a concert, no? That he will be sponsoring this month. This is on January 25. No? So we will consider it a double celebration, January 22 and January 25. We have two concerts. The first one is in Samsung Performing Arts Theater. It will feature pianist Muyu Liu. I will discuss the program later. No? But just to show you that we have everybody here, no, as a sort of history with the orchestra. Next. This is our concert right before the pandemic. And then we have one of our guests in the conductors, Darren Ang, who will be coming back, and he will be conducting the concert on January 22 and on January 25. This was the program I mentioned earlier where Rachel was the singer for Sur Angelica. This was 2 years ago. And Maestro Ryan Cayabyab, who was the conductor last year for the Birth Baccarat tribute, January 25, 1 year ago. He's a national artist for music, and he also promised to write a new piece to celebrate our centennial. It will be in our program in October this year. And also of course, he's a national artist. He's not a member of the orchestra, but he's the member of the board of the MSO. So we're very, very proud of that. So to end our performance and maybe to discuss later, I will continue just to show you the current programs of the orchestra. We have the